Today, magluluto tayo ng flaxseed bread.
This is Quetz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
And yes, we're making this for today, guys. This is a flax seeds that I put into the normal blender because I want it to be a fine powder. So after the blender, I sifted just like this because we wanted to be, as I said, fine powder, because that is the secret of our flaxseed bread. And after that, we need a binder. Actually, the measurement of this one is the whole 190 grams or 200 grams flaxseed. It can be yielded to 190 grams of flaxseed flour. Then we need 1 cup of water. Normal temperature will do. It doesn't have to be hot water. And then we fold it. Actually, I first use a mixer like this, but it doesn't work. So I change into a normal rice spatula so I can fold this mixture. Just watch it. So after 2-3 minutes, guys, it will look like this. So this looks like the water has been already absorbed by our flaxseed flour. Then we just need to mold it like a log, like that, so that it will form a bond later on. So anyways, remove those bumpy or lumpy look by first putting, or yes, put an oil just like what I'm doing all over it, so you can mold it properly. Then roll it like this. So keep on watching. And if you're satisfied with the shape, you can put it in the baking pan. As for me, I don't have. I will use this aluminum baking pan. And then before you put it in the oven or broiler, brush it off with water all over it. Some would like to put some sesame seed, but for now, I don't have. I'm just gonna use this one.
The old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new...
There you go, guys. We have a flaxseed bread using only, basically, you just need two things, flaxseed and water. So that's it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you, guys, for your love and support. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also, guys, in my social medias. All Jessie Quetz, like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And remember to always be a blessing to others. I miss you, munchkins. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.